Hello students, so today we will discuss about the topic ionization of covalent compounds. So here we will discuss about the compound HCl, that is hydrogen chloride. So polar covalent compounds like ammonia hydrogen chloride, they are the non-electrolytes in their gaseous state but ionizes in their aqueous solution. So in the gaseous state they behaves like a non-electrolyte, means they will not conduct electricity, but in their aqueous solution they will behave like electrolyte. Like hydrogen chloride in its gaseous state or in the pure liquid state, it is unionized and it will not conduct an electricity. And we know that hydrogen chloride is a polar covalent in nature. Why it is polar covalent? Because there is charge separation or charge distribution is there, because hydrogen have a slightly positive charge and chlorine atom have a slightly negative charge. Now see, when hydrogen chloride is added in water is a polar solvent. Okay, so that time the negatively charged oxygen atom, it will exert a pull on the positively charged hydrogen ion of HCl. So when hydrogen reacts with that, it will form hydronium ion, that is H3O positive, and the remaining chlorine, it will remain in the solution. Okay, so from here we can conclude that ammonia or hydrogen chloride in the gases or the pure liquid state does not conduct electricity, but it conducts electricity when it is dissolved in water. Now here is a comparison given between metallic conduction and electrolytic conduction. So what is metallic conduction? It is a flow of electricity which takes place by flow of electron. So this is due to the flow of electron and it have a negligible mass. Now there is no composition of the parent metal and thus the chemical properties of the metals are intact. Okay, so there will be no decomposition of the parent metal. Now metals are the good conductor of electricity, but in the solid state and the molten state. Okay, and during metallic conduction there is no transfer of matter. Okay, so there will be no transfer of matter from one surface to another. The flow of electricity only produces heat, energy, and no new products are formed. So in this there will be no new products. Okay, now the electrolytes, the flow of electricity takes place by the flow of ions. So here the flow of electricity take place with the help of the ions, flow of the ions, and it is denser as compared to electrons. Now here also there is no composition of the electrolytic solution and the chemical properties of the electrolyte are altered. Okay, so here is the decomposition. Okay, so here decomposition will takes place, and due to that there will be some changes in the chemical properties of the electrolyte. Now see, electrolytes are the good conductors of electricity in the aqueous solution or in the molten state, but not in the solid state. And during any electrolytic conduction there is always a transfer of ion, and the flow of electricity decomposes the electrolytes and there will be the formation of the new products.